Wing Show, baby.
The Smoke Line brand sent me a bunch of spices from my hometown of New Orleans. I just put some oil in a pan, grilled that chicken, put this Dirty South barbecue hot mama's rub on it. Just cooked it. To be honest, it tastes just like grandma's chicken. Just like I was in New Orleans. A little sweet, little brown sugary, definitely spice. It was good. It was real good. Thank you.
Baby. I have soda in case something bad happens.
Good.
Not bad.
Mmm.
I'm gonna get humans when I just got one.
You got it, baby.
I'll do it now.
That's a big Mama, what are you? Okay. You're not a Viking. Down. This is. What do you think?
What?
It's also, this is perfect. If your kids are picky.
That's combination.
Was it good? What do you think? Do you think other kids will like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect for a family dinner. Don't need salt and pepper.
Good to go.
Just literally put this on your chicken in the pan.
Yeah.
With olive oil. Dinner's cooked in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And the kids will like it. So, win-win. Thank you.
Hey, my first.